Are you ready? I am. We are going to open my very first ThredUP Denim Rescue Box today. I have so many of my other YouTube friends that I've seen open these denim boxes that have been amazing. So when they were on sale for 30% off, I couldn't help but snag one. So fingers crossed, we got a great box. For those that are new here, my name is Christina, and I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, and the Referral. Although I've been having some eBay drama this week. It's all right. That platform usually does the best for me, so I give them a pass. But give me one more problem, I'm not going to be happy. Okay, this box came to us from Phoenix. I went ahead and opened the top because it's kind of beat up. It had a FedEx relabel on it, and it's super heavy. Even my receipt is like ripped across the top. And this should be 30 pounds of denim. And the regular price on this is $32. So it's already a good price. And then I got that extra discount. So I'm hoping for, I don't know, I would love if there were some jean jackets in here too. I love a good jean jacket. Okay, I would give you a look off the top, but it's just jeans. So let's see what we got. Okay, first pair looks like it could be a jegging. And this is a Time and True in an XXL, so plus size jegging. And this one is like a capri length. So I don't know about that. I'm a little tempted maybe because it is a plus size, but we're moving into fall and I don't know about doing a capri. Okay, next we have, looks like a distressed pocket. The brand on this one is Treasure and Bond. And this is the inside here. It says this is the Charity Skinny High Rise Ankle. Was looking for a size really quickly, but I don't see one right off the bat. I'll have to look around for that. But it has the distressing on the pockets, a little bit of kind of stretch or pulling through here, distress on the knees. And I am not familiar with this brand, so I will have to look this up and comp it out. Next, we have a pair of Guess jeans. This one is in a size 26. And look at these pockets, y'all. Those are some cool pockets. They overall look like they're in good shape. And I think Guess jeans sell pretty well. So I will have to look up this particular one and see what those go for. Okay. Next, we have a pair of distressed jean shorts. These are American Eagle. And these say the 360 Super Stretch. And this is in a US size 4, and it also says high rise shorty on the waistband. American Eagle tends to sell, not necessarily for a ton, but pretty well. So maybe I'll save those for summer. We'll see. All right. Ooh, these are nice and soft. Next, we have a pair of jeans. Christopher Blue in a size 4. Like I said, they are very soft. This belt loop looks like a faux leather, which is, did someone, I don't know what's happening here. Did someone add that, or is it supposed to be like that? I don't know. But there is a hole where this leather loop is. So I will have to look these up and comp them out and see if that is worth me fixing enough to list. Next, we have a pair of Cabby jeans right there. These are the high straight in a size 2. And if you are interested in anything in this box, please email me at stinaresells@gmail.com. There's some distressing on the pockets. and I am happy to sell to you directly. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get the items listed. I'm super behind on listing. Maybe I'll be caught up by the end of the weekend, but I'm not making any promises. All right, next we have a pair of jeans by Vans, which, did I know that Vans made jeans? I don't know if I knew that. These are in a 30 by 30. These are the V66 Slim. And I see an issue back here. Big old hole. So those will definitely not be selling those. Okay, next we have a really dark wash pair. These are Curvy Fit by Ann Taylor. Tag on the inside is super worn. And I do see some little tiny holes by the pockets peeking through. So those are not in great shape. Next, we have a a black wash. This is a Time and True in a 14 petite high-rise skinny. That one looks like it's in good shape, but again, I don't know if Time and True is going to be worth me listing. Next, looks like we've got some sort of like acid wash. Isn't that exciting? This feels like a jegging, and this is No Boundaries in a size large. It says stretch you can't. Jegging. Okay, next we have a Hollister, and this is a waist size of 27, and these are jean shorts. Hollister tends to sell okay for me, so I may list those, we'll see. Next, we have a pair of Madewell jeans, and these seem like they're in okay shape. These are the 9-inch high-rise skinny crop, size 25. And I have done well selling Madewell jeans before. And this has kind of the tattered edge or hem at the bottom. So those may do well. You guys, I'm not seeing any jean jackets yet. Come on, ThredUP. Okay, next we have a pair of gray Calvin Klein jeans. These are a size 2 and a length of 30. I used to wear Calvin Klein jeans exclusively in high school. Not sure how popular they are now. Next, we have another like mom jean situation here. This is Wild Fable, and these are in a size 8. It says the low rise baggy jean. Those are great. They look like they're in good condition. That leg, that looks awesome. There's the back. So I'm happy with those. Next, we have a pair of Gap jeans. These are the Best Girlfriend in a size 31. I think overall these look like they're in good shape. I don't really sell Gap jeans though, so I'm not really sure how well these will do. And I'm not sure if that's intentional or not. Or if that's damage, because I don't see any other distressing on the rest of the jean. So maybe not. Okay, we've got another pair of jean shorts. This is Arrow. This is a high-rise midi in a size 4. So lots of jean shorts in this one. Next, ooh, I don't know this brand. Okay, we've got a black jean here. This says Butt, spelled like B-U-T-T. I love you. Wax jean. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that one up. I'm not familiar with that one. Anyways, they're a black jean. There is some wear, like that you can see on the coloring of the jean. And then, but look how cute the butt is. So I'll have to look those up. Next, we have a pair of Jones, New York gray jeans. Got some gray jeans in here, huh? This is the Lexington Straight in a size 4. And there's the back. And so these look like they're in good shape too. I see a couple stains. I don't know that these sell that well, so I'll have to look them up. Okay. Ooh, this is good. We've got a pair of frame jeans. Let's hope they're in good shape. These are the Pixie Bow in a size 25. Okay. Giving it the once over. We have a distressed knee on both sides, so I think that means it should be there. And then here's the back. So I'm happy with these for sure. Okay. I have quite the pile of jeans on my desk right now. We have another Ann Taylor jean. These are the skinny in a size 8. The last pair was not in great shape. These do have the tattered hem, but these look like they're in good shape. So I'll have to look up Ann Taylor jeans. Like I said, I'm not really sure how those sell. Next, we have a pair of Joe's jeans, so that is good. Joe's can sell well depending on the style. This is a waist of 36 and the fit is called the Brixton. So I will have to look that up. But these are not in good shape. There's a hole right there. So that's sad. Okay. Next, we have a universal thread in a size 8. I think these were actually originally a jean that someone cut because they do have a length on the inside here. But I'm not sure. But I probably won't be selling universal thread jean shorts anyway. Okay, those I will donate. Next. Okay, what is this? Ooh, we have a pair of Not Your Daughter's jeans. Okay. These are in a size 6. This says it has lift tuck technology. I was going to see if it had a specific style on here. I don't see one. These are in a size 6, if I didn't say that already. And these are almost like a trouser jean, right? Nice hem. No pockets on the back. Looks like those are in good shape. So that's good. Next, we have another pair of jean shorts, you guys. We have a pair of Topshop Total Distressed Mom Jean in a size 4. I don't have very good luck selling Topshop, so another pair of jean shorts, you guys. These are H&M in a size 10. Okay, just like a basic jean short. We're getting close to the bottom of the box. Okay, we've got another pair of Calvin Klein jeans These are in a size 12, but these are like the ones that are made to look like the classic Calvin Klein's. And these are a flare, which is super in right now. Y'all, I actually went jean shopping for myself. I tried to do the flare and I'm like, no ma'am. We're not doing flare. I love them, but they don't look super great on me. So I actually will probably list these purely based on style. Everything that I just seeing off the top looks like it's in good shape. Okay, we've got a pair of Torrid jeans in a 12 short. Torrid sells really well for me. These are like a very skinny dark wash. So that is good. I will definitely list those. These aren't even jeans. Huh. These are like a Dockers material. By the brand Subculture in a size 30. I think they thought these were like, they're like, let's give this lady some more jean shorts, please. But those aren't even jeans. Okay. Define Me Denim. This is Chico's size 2 regular slim leg. I have sold Chico's jeans before and they tend to do well depending on the style. And these look like they're in pretty good shape. So I will probably list these. You can see the back. Okay. 2 more pairs. We've got a pair of Liverpool. I've sold Liverpool before. These are a plus size. So these are in a 22. And this is the ankle skinny. And these are in a gray. And they feel like they're kind of a stretch. Okay, they have some give to them. In general, it looks like they're in decent shape. Actually, there's no, the hem on the inside of the leg is pretty ripped up. So I was thinking that I would probably list these, but I don't think I will because of that damage. Okay, our last pair. Is it a jean short? Oh no, it's an overall. Okay, we'll take it. We've got like a retro wash, okay, like acid wash. And this is Chiori. It is in a size small. It says 100% cotton. And let me hold it up so you can see the whole thing. Overall, looks like it's in good shape. And this is actually a dress, which I have sold like overall jean dresses before. So I may wait to list this for a little while just because I'm behind on listing, but I probably will list this one. I think that's adorable. So no idea how many actual pairs I got. There were a lot of shorts in here. I think overall, I mean, for sure I'm going to make my money back. We got some good brands, lots of jean shorts. Was hoping for a jean jacket. A few items that I probably would have listed if they weren't damaged. But overall, definitely I'll be making a profit off of this box. Let me know which pair was your favorite. Let me know which ones you think I should list for sure. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. I would love that. I will be having another unboxing coming on Thursday. I will be opening a ThredUP DIY designer box. So stay tuned for that. Bye, y'all.